this. You can.
Yeah.
I'm working. You see that? I do's what it does. You feel me? I gets it pop. Hot. I gets it poppin'.
See, I might have to go to work for my job. I just want to go right on. Let me see the hammer.
The hammer is not. You gonna mess around and split,
No, the hammer, I'm banging this shit
or
down.
just screw it in.
I don't have it. It's not screwed. I put the nails. All right, let me get the hammer. I'll take them out. The hammer right there behind me.
You got video on shit? Hey, yo, check this out, B. I had to throw on my safety glasses, right? Because we got to practice safety first. So whenever you working in areas doing home improvement, make sure that you got the proper PPE. What's proper PPE? Proper PPE is proper protection for the job. You feel me? You smell me? You know what I mean? But that's how it's going down. You heard?
Peace, family. This is Essie Cooper coming to you with a live update of my DIY on my I'm gonna call this my loft closet. I have reconstructed my closet because most of you know the little white wire racks that they put on your house when they're building, they're not good. They don't hold up much. They constantly falling down. I've been in my house for 13 years, and it seemed like every few years my closet collapsed. So my closet has been down for several years now, and I'm finally getting to it. So I'm gonna call this my loft cabin closet. That's what I'm gonna call it. And we're at the final stages of it. As you can see, we framed out. We made very strong cabinet, shelf space, as you can see. And in my dead space area, we also made more shelf area for shoes, boots, whatever, however, you know, I decide to store up my belongings. And then on this side, we also created shelving as well. I was tempted to do a ladder up here. For some reason, I always like the woodwork and stuff like that. But I thought that would have been a creative touch to do that. But maybe somewhere down in the line. But yeah, we're getting close to the finish line. As you can see, we plastered all the holes in these areas where the racks just constantly kept falling down on me over the years.
Constantly.
So we had to plaster in the holes from the nails and stuff like that. And then as you can see above here, it's massive space to store jeans, sweaters, sweater dresses, whatever, hats, caps, whatever. But definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing a lot of decorating in here. I'll probably even put art up in here. It's gonna be very, very African. I'm gonna use the left and the right walls to store probably some art and stuff. Just make it real girly like, but very African. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna come back to you with a finished product. We're gonna definitely paint this white. I'm tempted to paint the whole thing white, but I love woodwork, so I might leave it natural because it has that really nice loft feel. So yeah, you guys come back and check us out for the finished product. Peace.